Hey everybody, it's me, Crystal, just coming at you for the Holistic Health and Harmony Expo. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of information today. I'm really excited because we have about a month left before the expo, and so it's time to really start engaging the audience and getting them excited about coming to this event. Okay, so if you have a Facebook page, it's a really good opportunity right now to share tips for all of the people who you've got on your Facebook. So you want to give them really good information about things that they can do that will solve the top of their mind problem that they have. So, for example, if you're a chiropractor and you have people that are coming in with back pain, you can share tips on things that they can do to help to alleviate their back pain in their daily life. And then, of course, they can come in and see you if they want to get some adjustments. Another thing that you can do is come up with an expo exclusive. So that's a free offer, a giveaway, a discount, something that people who are coming to the expo will be able to get and utilize, and that kind of gives them a feeling of something a little bit special that's just for them. Something else you can do on Facebook, if you have a small marketing budget, I would suggest anywhere from $1 to $5 a day. Go ahead and buy Facebook ads. Go ahead and target that audience that again their interests are in what you do, but also uh, target them based on the top of their mind problem that they're looking for a solution to that you can help them solve. And then go ahead and spend that money, because what that's going to do is it's going to help you build your targeted audience. And then later on, I can help you utilize that in turning those people into customers. So, so those are a few social media tips for you. I'm also really wanting to help you with this and promoting your business for you. So even if you don't have time to utilize any of those tips for yourself, go ahead and send information to me. You can go ahead and email me information that I can utilize on the Facebook page that we have for the expo to reach out to your customers for you. Again, so those are going to be things like if you have an exclusive offer that you want to make, go ahead and send that information to me. If there's an article that's been written about you, if there's any other information that is out there about you already, if you have a blog that you're writing, go ahead and send those things to me. Go ahead and email those things to me at crystalclaritymedia@gmail.com. So all of this information that's in this video right now, I'm going to go ahead and include it in this blog post, and I'm going to send it out to you guys in an email as well. Um, and then the last thing that I want you to know is that because I'm reaching out to your customer base, and an existing customer has a higher value than a new customer, because they're going to be loyal to you, they already know you, and if they like you, they're going to bring people to you. So what we're doing for the expo is we are giving a coupon code for your existing customers. We want you to be able to share this information with them, get them engaged, get them to come to the expo and see you there. And so we're going to do a 50% off discount, and I'm going to send that to you in a separate email. So anyway, go ahead and take a look at this information that I'm sending to you. If you need any additional information about marketing yourself on social media, please, please, please feel free to contact me, and we will see you at the expo. Thanks.